Scientific-based ergonomic design close black lens bracket. Comes with a pillowed wrist rest, which offers 54% more wrist support and reduces wrist bending by 25%. The curved split key frame design reduces muscle strain on your wrists and forearms, which works as a posture corrector and keeps hands, neck, and shoulders relaxed. Open black lens bracket backlit illuminated keyboard close black lens bracket. With gentle white LED backlight, the keyboard make it easy typing in dimmer light environment, allow you to work day and night without straining your eyes. The illuminated keyboard has 3 adjustable brightness levels, low, mid, high, off to suit all your needs. Open black lens bracket function across 3 devices close black lens bracket. The wireless ergonomic keyboard allows you to connect via Bluetooth or a 2.4G USB receiver. You can connect up to 3 different devices at the same time and easy switch between them by just pressing a single key. Widely compatible with Windows 8 July 10, Mac OS X 10. 12, Android 4. 3 or higher, Microsoft system. Open black lens bracket quiet comfortable typing close black lens bracket. Scissor switch structure make every keystroke quiet and fast rebound. Scooped keys match the shape of your fingertips, offering quick and precise typing experience. Ergonomically designed tilt legs lift the keyboard at a perfect angle to keep your wrist comfortable and relax whether seated or standing. Open black lens bracket fast recharge long-lasting close black lens bracket. The Ergo keyboard is equipped with a rechargeable lithium 1100 mAh battery. The battery holds power for up to 100 hours of usage on a single full charge. You can focus on work and worry less about charging. Note: for better customer experience, we added PG up PGDN home end function on direction keys for this keyboard. Press FN and direction keys to realize PG up PGDN home end. Single press direction keys to realize direction key function. You can download the product FAQ documents on the details page, product guides and documents. Top reviews from the United States. Comfortable, with nice backlighting. This is a very nice, lightweight keyboard, and the ergonomic features aren't too extreme. The shape is subtle, and the wrist rest is very comfortable. There is a cool little magnetic feature on the back where you can put the Wi-Fi USB connector if you're not using it. Backlight is nice and bright. Key action is quiet, but tactile feel is good, not too deep, not too shallow. Charges pretty quickly. Probably my favorite wireless keyboard I've gotten. I am a software engineer, so need something that I can be comfortable on for long stretches, and that is bright enough to use during late night on-call work.